friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how new master setup settings will work. So just have a look. So from the master setup I will go to the setting. So from the general I will go to the setting name, and from here customer data validation rule. So here you can see that the value separated by comma. For example, if you want to restrict mobile number for 10 digits and Aadhaar number for 12 digits, or for example pin code, let's say 6 digits. So we have to do some settings in master setup setting. So for example, let's say mobile. So the mobile short form is MOBL. So MOBL call span. So here I will take for, let's say, mobile number 12 digit and comma, then let's say Aadhaar for 12. So I will just write down ADHR call span for 12 digits and again comma. So I will select pin code PINC, the short form PINC, that is for, let's say, 5 digit. So for the international country, maybe it's a 12 digit mobile number. So for example, I have kept this all. So just add this setting and let's create one customer. So I will go to the customer and create. So here, that is the customer entry form. Let's create one customer. So for example, let's say Sandeep. So here mobile number I have kept 12 digits. So for example now 9834550742. I will keep this 10 digit and try to save here. So you can see mobile number should be 12 digits. The setting is showing here. The 12 digits is compulsory. Then if I say, let's say 12 digit, now I will go to the LOC, that is the location. So here the pin code, that is I have set limit for 5 digits. So for example, let's say 411011. And now I will just try to save this. So here you can see, please pin code should be 5 digits. So I have set limit 5 digits. So I need to set here 5. So I will keep 41101. Now I will go to the UID, and here Aadhaar card number I have kept 12 digit. So limit is 12 digit. Now I will enter, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I will keep just 10 and try to save. So you can see Aadhaar number should be 12 digits. So this limit, whatever limit we have set, we have to fill up according to this. So I will keep 12 digits and now just save. So now you can see saved file number 3. So this customer has been created. And if you search from the search bar F-3, you can see that customer. So you can see Sandeep, mobile number and all the details you can see from here. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.